In the heart of Indonesia, a silent crisis grows. Every day, over 400 tons of organic waste is discarded, much of it from schools. Yet most students are never taught how to handle it and to be responsible. Food waste not only pollutes the environment, but also disconnects young people from the value of what they consume. That's why we created Green Warrior, an environmental education program that empowers students to fight food waste, starting for their own school. Over 3 months, students journey through fun interactive sessions where they learn to sort, process, and reduce food waste using real tools and real science. We teach them how to transform waste into compost and eco-enzyme, powerful, natural tools that give waste a second life. From trash to treasure, students use compost for school gardens and eco-enzyme for fertilizers, natural cleaners, even river revitalization. Some of them become eco-volunteers, student leaders who continue the program, mentoring peers, and managing waste programs in their own school. Through engaging modules, games, and tracking tools, we measure change, cognitive, emotional, and behavioral. Since 2023, we've reached more than 200 students in over 6 schools, and we're just getting started. Each cycles end with a harvest celebration, a moment to reflect, to grow, and to replant the seed of sustainability. Students don't just learn, they also act. Some even bring Green Warriors activities home to families and communities.
Nah, kami juga merasa sangat terbantu dengan kerjasama dengan Eco Living karena dengan kami diedukasi terkait dengan pembuatan ekoenzim beberapa waktu yang lalu, sehingga pemilahan sampah ini akhirnya anak-anak bisa memanfaatkan sampah lebih baik lagi.
Our mission lives online too, spreading awareness through social media, blogs, and school networks. Together, we are the Green Warriors, turning food waste into future hope. Join us, act for your earth through Green Warrior.